Hello, and welcome to the Prinsco Field Connection video series. I'm Albrecht, Application Engineer at Prinsco. In this video, we'll be covering some install information for an easy tee placed in Prinsco pipe. Easy tees are great for creating a sturdy, sealed connection without having to excavate around the entire mainline pipe or cut a section for a fabricated tee. First, we need a whole cord in the mainline, centered on a corrugation. Here, we've cored a 4.5-inch hole for a 4-inch easy tee. On larger sizes of pipe, it may be helpful to use the drill in reverse to prevent sudden kickback. Try to remove as many burrs and tailings as possible around the cored hole to get a good seal. Remove the band clamp from the rubber sleeve, fold, and insert into the opening. The upper lip should be on the top of the corrugation and the lower lip should be pulled up, resting flat against the inside wall of the pipe. Make sure this line matches up with the corrugation. This will ensure the contour of the sleeve matches the inside curve of the pipe. Put the band clamp back, but do not tighten. Next, we use Easy Tee soap as lubricant on the inside of the rubber sleeve and the outside section of the PVC lateral adapter. Now we place the PVC lateral adapter into the rubber sleeve. Make sure these lines match up. We finish off with a small sledgehammer and a short board. Place the board onto the top of the PVC lateral adapter so it lies flat across the fitting, and then strike the board with the sledgehammer until fully inserted. The stop ring on the lateral adapter is the depth mark and will let the installer know how far to drive the adapter into the rubber sleeve. Drive the adapter in until the stop ring meets the top of the rubber sleeve. The installer should then put their hand inside of the PVC adapter to ensure that it protrudes just past the rubber sleeve. Once you tighten the band clamp, you are ready to install your surface pipe. It's been a pleasure to walk you through the installation of Easy Tees. Don't forget to get more detailed information in the install documentation or from your sales rep. This has been Ryan Albrecht with Prinsco.